I haven't made a video in a while, and yes, I am in a different room. I'm actually in my sister's room because the, living room is being used for watching TV right now. My dog is being weird. Oh, no. Help me. Look at the camera. Not at me. Look. Oh. Look at the camera. It's the camera. This is my. Ow. Get off me. That many people was. Alright, well, the reason why, okay, I changed my YouTube name, as you can tell, and the camera is really fucking close. I'm gonna have to hold it for now. The reason why I changed my YouTube name is because I'm actually starting a band. It's called The Forsaken Break. So, I have really nothing to talk about, although it is summer break. We started on June 4th. Wow. Just another week until I go see Blood on the Dancer in person. My very first concert. So yeah. I will be right back. Sorry about that. But this is the picture I made. None. Can't really see it well. So here's Bobby. And I did my makeup today. My dad said I look like Avril Lavigne. Is that true? Do I seriously look like Avril Lavigne? I'm gonna shut up now. I made this video for no goddamn reason, so, well, if you like, then like the video. And if you hate it, then don't bother liking it at all. Just like the video and don't comment if you didn't like it. So, yeah.